Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find, where you can find the Glasswort plant in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So you'll find them all around the Jellyfish Cove. I don't know why I said jellyfish so weirdly. But this is what it looks like, and as you can see, you'll have the Glasswort. And this area is so pretty. Also, this is like my first time going to this area. But you will be able to find the glassware everywhere. I'm just going to, whoops, clean while I do this as well. Ooh, okay, that's very cool. Found some stuff. All right, so you'll be able to see clearly because it's like sparkling anyways. What was I gonna say? Oh, and you do need this for the Whalefall Canyon Daily Requests. I just need to collect one more. And yeah, again, they'll be around the Jellyfish Cave. Okay, how come I cannot find any more? They'll be like on the ground, I believe. Oh my gosh, they're swimming together. That's so cute. Maybe there's more up here. I can't really tell because of the pollution. So stop polluting the ocean, guys. But yeah, that is where you can find the glassware in Heartopia. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!